Hi guys, welcome back to In Case of Econ Struggles and welcome back to another Sunday Stata tip. If you're finding these videos helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. If there's a Stata tip or trick you'd like to see, leave a comment below. Today, we're talking about binary variables. We're talking about indicator or dummy variables, and we are talking about how to more quickly understand what is happening with those dummy variables. What does that mean? Well, I've got this auto data pulled in and I just did a basic summary. We can see that foreign has this information and we know it's an indicator or a dummy variable because it's got a min of 0 and a max of 1. Now, normally in most problem sets, right, you try and tab that variable so you can see the exact count of domestic and foreign, but you notice that there's this 29.73% here. And that exactly matches this 0.2973 here. And that is on purpose. That is because when you are looking at binary variables, you can look at the mean of that variable, and that will tell you the percentage of observations in your sample where that indicator variable is equal to 1. So hopefully this just gives you one less step when you're looking at some data. If it was helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time for another Sunday Stata tip.